Part C of this question reads, evaluate 2 practical ways in which governance professionals could positively influence boardroom dynamics. Evaluate 2 practical ways in which governance professionals would positively influence boardroom dynamics. Practical ways in which a governance professional would positively influence boardroom dynamics. One way is by facilitating board evaluations. One practical way in which a governance professional would positively influence boardroom dynamics is by facilitating board evaluations. Candidates, governance professionals can play a key role in designing and conducting board evaluations. And by using well-structured evaluation tools and methods, they can gather feedback from board members on dynamics. All right? As well as communication effectiveness and decision-making processes. And the results can then be used to identify areas for improvement and foster constructive discussions among board members. So facilitating board evaluations is one practical way for governance professionals to positively influence boardroom dynamics. Another way is by providing board education and training. Providing board education and training. Governance professionals can organize educational sessions, can organize workshops that are tailored to address specific boardroom dynamic challenges. And such sessions can cover topics such as effective communication, conflict resolution, fostering a culture of open dialogue, and so on. And by promoting continuous learning, governance professionals contribute to enhancing boardroom interactions and collaboration. So these are 2 practical ways in which governance professionals would positively influence boardroom dynamics. 1, facilitating board evaluations. Number 2, providing board education and training. Board education and training. These are 2 practical ways. These are how many marks? These would be 4 marks. 4 marks. And with that, we've completed that question. That is question 3. In our next lesson, we are going to answer question 4. We'll take a short break. Bye-bye.